Good day, everyone. Welcome to another learning opportunity here on Lessons Made Easy. I am Teacher Belle, and today we will talk about the steps on how to do multi-digit subtraction. To further understand the process, first, let's review the place value chart. And for this video, we will cover only numbers up to 3 digits, starting with the ones place, tens place, and the hundreds place. In a simple analogy, we can think of each place like a room for only the group of ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Suppose we have the number 695. 5 is in the ones place, means there are 5 units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the value is only 5. 9 in the tens place means there are 9 groups of 10 and the value is 90. And 6 in the hundreds place means there are 6 groups of 100, which is equivalent to 600. Let's have another number. Let's say 452. 2 in the ones place is just 2 units. The value is still the same, which is 2. 5 in the tens place, it means 5 groups of 10 with a value of 50. And 4 in the hundreds place, it means 4 groups of 100 that makes 400 in total. Let's practice subtraction using these two numbers. The first thing we need to do is to place the digits on top of each other by aligning the digits based on their place values, like the ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Then, draw a line just below the number and write the minus symbol on the side. Make sure the bigger number goes on the top. If we are adding, it really doesn't matter which number goes on the top of the other because the result will be the same. However, in subtraction, the bigger number must be on the top because we can only subtract a small number from a bigger number and not the other way around. Otherwise, we get a negative result. This time, let's subtract beginning with the digits in the ones place, which is 5 minus 2. So if we take away 2 from 5, we have 3 left. Then we move on to the tens place. We have 9 minus 5. We still have 4 left. And now let's do the hundreds place. 6 minus 4. So if we take away 4 from 6, we still have 2 left. There you have it. 695 minus 452, we have a difference of 243. Let's try another example. 546 minus 387. Just like what we did earlier, put the numbers on top of each other. Make sure the bigger number goes on the top and the digits must be aligned based on their place values starting from the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. Then, draw a line below the numbers and put a minus sign on the side. Start with the ones place, which is 6 minus 7. Obviously, we can't subtract 7 from 6. It won't be enough. However, 6 isn't alone. It has other companion in a number. It's like having 2 other friends or neighbors. So, 6 can ask for help by borrowing from the closest friend or the closest neighbor, which is 4. Because 4 is in the tens place, 4 will share 1 10. It's not just 1. It's not like 1 plus 6 equals 7, but it's 10 plus 6 that makes 16. And so from 4 tens, this will now be lowered down to 3 tens. Now we have 16 minus 7, we get 9 left. But then again, we have the same problem in the tens place where we have 3 minus 8. 3 isn't enough, so we have to borrow from 5. Since 5 is in the hundreds place, 5 can share not just 1 but 100. So now 3 tens will become 13. Minus 8, we have 5 left. In the hundreds place, 5 became 4. Minus 3, we have 1 left. So we get a difference of 159. Let's have one last example. What about if we have numbers like this one? We start with 5 minus 7, which obviously is not possible. And in this case, the next digit is 0, which we cannot borrow from. But we can borrow 100 from 8 in the hundreds place, lowering it down to 7. So, from 0 tenths, it will now become 9 tenths, and 5 will become 15. This time, we can take away 7 from 15, leaving us with 8. Then 9 minus 6 equals 3. Lastly, we have 7 minus 3 equals 4. So here it is, 805 minus 367. The difference is 438. Take a look at this example. In a subtraction problem, the bigger number on the top, which is the number we subtracted from, is called the minuend. And the number below is called the subtrahend. And the answer in a subtraction problem is called the difference. Therefore, if the problem is asking you to find the difference, all you have to do is to subtract the given quantities. Here are some words that mean the same as subtraction. Words like minus, subtract, difference, take away, decrease, and how many left. And that would be all for this lesson. And if you find this video useful, hit the like button and share to people you know, for this may also be helpful for them. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educational videos only here on Lessons Made Easy. Once again, this is Teacher Belle saying thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you again in our next lesson.